When your Swann DVR's Ethernet port stops working, preventing remote access or cloud storage, systematic troubleshooting can resolve most connectivity issues. Let's walk through the essential diagnostic steps. Here we see typical Swann DVR equipment. When the Ethernet port fails, you'll lose remote monitoring capabilities and cloud backup functions. Step 1 is power cycling the DVR. Disconnect the power cable for exactly 30 seconds, then reconnect it. This clears temporary network glitches and resets the Ethernet controller. Step 2 involves physical inspection of the Ethernet cable and connector. Look for cracked plastic housing, bent pins, or loose connections. Even minor damage can cause complete network failure. Step 3 is testing different Ethernet ports on your router or switch. A single faulty port can cause connection issues. Try each available port systematically to isolate the problem. Step 4 is checking the network status LEDs on your DVR. Green typically indicates an active connection, amber shows network activity, and no light suggests the port isn't detecting the network. Step 5 involves accessing the DVR's network settings menu. Navigate to the main menu and select Network Settings to verify the IP address configuration and connection status. Step 6 is verifying IP configuration. DHCP automatically assigns IP addresses and is recommended for most users. If using static IP, ensure the settings are correct and there are no IP address conflicts on your network. Step 7 is resetting network settings to factory defaults. This clears all network configurations and can resolve complex configuration conflicts. Use this as a last resort when other steps haven't worked. These initial troubleshooting steps address the most common Swann DVR Ethernet port issues, including loose connections, cable defects, and network misconfigurations. This systematic approach resolves 70 to 80% of connectivity problems without requiring advanced technical knowledge. When basic troubleshooting fails to restore Ethernet connectivity, advanced solutions are required. The first step is updating your DVR's firmware to the latest version. Outdated firmware is a common cause of network compatibility issues. Modern firmware versions include improved network drivers and bug fixes that resolve many connectivity problems. Next, configure port forwarding on your router to enable external access to your DVR. This typically involves opening ports 80, 554, and the range 9000 to 9100. If software solutions fail, hardware repair may be necessary. Professional RJ45 port replacement typically costs between $50 and $150, depending on the DVR model and local service rates. As an alternative solution, USB to Ethernet adapters can provide network connectivity for compatible DVR models. This is often a more cost-effective option than hardware repair. Environmental factors play a crucial role in Ethernet port longevity. Humidity and corrosion are major causes of hardware failure, especially in coastal areas or poorly ventilated locations. Industry data shows that approximately 12% of Swann DVRs experience network connectivity issues within their first 3 years of operation. The good news is that 78% of Ethernet port problems can be resolved through software or configuration changes, while only 22% require actual hardware replacement.